looking good. Welcome back to another episode of Things to Do in Southern Illinois. Today we are at Home Depot for Home Depot Day. They do this once a month and have a craft that you can put together with your kids. Let's go inside and see what they have to do today. Come on guys, let's go. Here we go. Let's find out what our toy activity is. We're ready. Let's get signed in, sis. We found our workstation. So what's today's activity? Let's look at it. What are we building? We are doing a coco ornament. Woo-hoo. What do? We open it, follow the instructions. If you complete a activity, guys, you get a cool pin. Check out those pins on our bag. Wow. High five.
I missed the last one.
You missed the last one. Oh, we got the pin.
I missed the last one.
We've lost one. We've been to quite a few of these.
I missed the last one.
All right.
They give you a certificate of achievement that you can fill out. I have to with instructions, what it's supposed to look like.
Nice. Whoa, there's a lot of steps. Let's get started, gang. Got our marshmallows to add on at the end. Here's what the end game should look like. Oh, and it's showing you can put a picture in it. Need your help, sissy. Grab a hammer. All right, perfect. Stop there, stop there, stop there. All right, stop there. Let me get the wood to put them in. All right, sis. All right, now I need you to hammer it all the way in. We're gonna shoot another one. Here you go. And perfect. Okay, step is done. Now we take this, frame it in here. I'm gonna need you to hammer here in just a second. You about ready to hammer? We gotta put this down.
You hammered this down in it.
Silly. I don't know if that'll work. All right, let's get a nail. All right, I'm gonna put a nail in. Get ready. Hammer it in all the way. It's okay. Here's maybe a little less crooked. Okay. Get that one for me, please.
We need us to move over there.
No.
What? I need the store.
All right, hammer that in.
Yes, they do. They do have doors.
All right, all the way in. You take a hammer and here, hold the hammer like this. And good job, perfect.
You want to help?
Can you get something?
Here.
Yeah, I'll move it down lower.
Okay, we're not painting yet. Not yet. Here, help me with the hammer.
All right, get your hammer out, please.
Golden.
Get your hammer out.
Oh, that one was crooked.
It's okay. It's in there. Hammer it down. Perfect. Alright, sis. Got you another one. Here's you another hammer or another nail, sis. Alright, I got two more to nail in. You gonna help me?
Two more to nail in.
Right there.
Oh, we're almost done, guys. We're
Yeah.
flying through them. All right, brother. Next
Alright,
step.
next nail.
We're almost done. The nail.
Nice. Good, 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 good. Now we have to do the glass.
Technically, this will be what it's like, but we'll take these out until we're done painting.
Cool. Well, let's wait and go paint.
What color?
Pink.
Purple and pink.
That color?
Is that how you're leaving it? You don't want it too wet where it won't dry. And then when you get done, you get to clip on your pin to your vest, and then you can keep track of how many you get to do. This is brother's pin. You get a pin too, sis.
Don't make sucker.
Good job. Brother's first pin to his vest. Looking good. All right, we completed our coco ornament. Time to add a new pin to the vest. This is for November. They do this monthly, guys, so make sure you check out the schedule. And it's not just in Southern Illinois, it's at almost every Home Depot. So check your local Home Depot and get in on the fun. You're gonna have paint on your head. I see it on your nose. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Home Depot Day.
Bye-bye.
Have no fear, guys. It's over, but there's more. Check out this awesome group of One Wheel content right here. You're ready for a different type of ride? We've got a whole new series of different videos ready for you. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.